Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And now guys, so yesterday I was in the Tandag City. Yesterday I went in Tandag City. So I bought I went there. I go there in the Japan Surplus store. Japan Surplus store. Anyway, I have a video, so you will see the videos, guys. So I saw this. I found this. So it's look good. It's so nice. So that's why I decide to buy this. And then yeah, it's so nice. I will use this one when I'm cooking. So I will put some food here. So I will put some food here. And yeah, it's so nice because there's a cover, you know. So nice. This is from Japan Surplus. So yeah. And I have already videos when I go there yesterday. So you will see, guys, because I will upload later. Yeah, it's so nice. Very nice. You can use you can use you can use this whatever you want, you know, if if you have food for, you know, safety for the cat. So it's good to use this because there's there is a cover. So yeah, it's nice. Oh, so nice. I bought this very affordable. Very affordable. In dollars, only $3 only. $3 only. No, sorry. No, not $3. $2. So 100 pesos. Yeah, so nice. Very nice, guys. I really like this. So nice. So that's why I bought this. I bought two because I will put rice here, and I will put also here viand. Yeah. Like I will cooking, like I cook adobo, chicken adobo. Yeah, chicken adobo and the pancit. Yeah, just to put here. So thank you for watching.